Welcome, today in front of me OPPO Reno 5 Lite, and I'll show you how to hide photos in gallery on this device. So first you should go to the Photos app, and for example we want to hide this photo. Just press for a while and here tap onto this set as private icon, and as can you see, we successfully set as private this a photo. Now just here you can go to this the settings right here, and here go to the passwords and biometrics. Now just go here to the privacy password, type your currently password, and as can you see, we got here the privacy safe section. Just go there, and now for example I'll enter my device password, and as can you see, we got here the images and videos section. Go there, and as can you see, we got here our hide photo. If you wanna just to unhide this photo and to turn it back to the gallery, just tap here and here type to the set as a public, and for example back it to the camera. The successfully set as public this photo. We got a message here, and right now for example we'll make the same action with this photo, and now if we'll just go here to photos, we can see our photos, our screenshots, like right there. So that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.